have a chance to go inside the cave. How to go? How many steps? 272 steps to go up. 272. Admission not needed. It's a free admission to Batu Caves. So some people ask me, how long the time duration to go up? One way to go up, it will take around 17 minutes. One way. 272. So later when you are climbing up to the Batu Cave, be little careful with the monkey. It's a small monkey. It is called long tail macaques. 50 to 100 to 150 monkeys along the steps are going to see. So my advice is, please avoid close contacts. Don't go too close, because sometimes they try to snatch handbag, carry bag, plastic bag from, because why? They're looking for food, looking for snacks. So a little careful with the monkeys. Then number 3, the moment we enter the Batu Cave, you will see one tall gold color statue. That's another icon at Batu Cave, Malaysia. It's a very high, the gold color, 41 meter, 140 feet. It was built in 2006. It's our Hindu deity. It is called Muruga. Muruga, the god of war. W-A-R, war. And one more tip, sir. The statue you're going to see today is a solid gold paint. It's a solid gold coated, gold painted. They use almost 300 liter solid gold paint for the statue, which you're going to see today. The Muruga, beautiful figure. And the cave you're going to see, we call Batu Cave. In other way around, we say limestone cave. It's called the limestone. Why we say limestone? Because limestone only can form under the water. I mean under the ocean. That's why we say limestone. So the history is saying that the cave we're going to see today is around easily 3 to 400 million years old. The limestone, 3 to 400 million, and discovered by one American man. His name by William Hornaday in 1878. That cave is discovered by the American man. So the limestone cave easily 400 million years old. So after 272, when you enter inside, this cave you're going to see, Batu Cave, is not a dark cave, not dark. This is an open ceiling cave. So what I mean by open ceiling? The moment you enter inside, the roof, the ceiling of the cave is open. We say open ceiling cave. Not a small hole. You will see a large sinkhole up. We say open ceiling cave, Batu Cave, limestone cave. The height of the mountain is 500 feet. It's a very big cave, From one corner to another corner, 1.7 kilometer. That mountain ranging from 1.7 kilometer. So the whole mountain under the ocean. That's why we say limestone cave. So that's the place we are going now, our next stop. And one more icon, the gold color statue. It's a very beautiful statue, It's very high, 41 meter, 2006 completed. Now 2026. So it's been 20 years there, more than around 20 years. The statue is there. Beautiful Muruga, we call Muruga, our Hindu deity, our Hindu god. So another 5 minutes, we're going to reach, not too far. So after the Batu Cave, we back to Kuala Lumpur again, because Batu Cave is outside city, not in Kuala Lumpur. The 25 attraction, only 2 attraction outside Kuala, Batik and Batu. The other 23 attraction all in Kuala Lumpur. So now we back to Kuala Lumpur to go to the museum for a photo stop. Then the River of Life, I Love Kuala Lumpur, Merdeka Square. That means we have only 2 more stops. Then we go to the Twin Tower Petronas, the last stop. On the left we can see the tallest building Malaysia. You can see from here, right? You can see. That is Kuala Lumpur City, tallest building Malaysia. On the right hand side, these are the Batu Caves. Look at the mountain. The height of the mountain, 500 feet. The height of the mountain. Just imagine, the whole mountain is under the ocean. So the whole the mountain you are seeing now is a nature wonder. Nature wonder, nature beauty, or we can say geological process, the whole mountain. But the mountain been here 400 million, just recorded 1878 by the American man. He's an archaeologist, we say naturalist. So he's the one discovered this cave in 1878 exactly. Yeah? And on the right hand side, this area, all the rock climbing routes. You know rock climbing on the right hand side. When I pass by early morning 7 o'clock, I'm staying around here. I will see people are climbing up this. I can see easily 130 meter from the ground level, 130, 140 meters. People do rock climbing. This area, but only for the experts, not for the beginner. Rock climbing this side, and this side is a Batu Caves. On the right hand side, please have a look. You can see the gold color statue. Beautiful figure. Muruga. 41 meter. Now on the right. It's a solid gold pen. Remember guys, it's a solid gold pen. Solid gold. 300 liter solid gold. Later when inside, you can take a very nice photos. So no smoking.